I'm about to show you how you can make $3,000 online right from your phone, and we can get this all set up in just 60 seconds. Now trust me, I know this all sounds too good to be true, but it's real. We will be using a powerful platform that is absolutely free for you to use, so there is no risk involved for you. And I'm going to show you step by step how to get this started. And I'm telling you, you are going to want to watch this entire video, because I'm also going to tell you how you can get the business that we are about to create featured on a Times Square billboard in New York. And you'll also be able to win a VIP trip to New York. So you definitely don't want to miss this one. What's up guys, this is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I am back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jumbo ciao, namaste. Alright, so today I am about to introduce you to something that will completely change your life, and it is called Whop. This is going to be hands down the easiest way for you to turn any kind of knowledge, any skill, or any life experience you have in general into real cash through the power of digital products. And before you fix yourself to say, I don't have any knowledge that I can offer to the world, let me tell you something. There is actually someone that's on this good internet that's teaching people how to fold sheets like a pro. So when I say this is something anyone can do, I mean it. But the reason I am harping on this right now, and you need to get started right away, because entrepreneurs on Whop have made together over $600 million. The best way that I can put this for you is this is going to be something like Amazon, except it's for digital products like courses, communities, consultations. You can sell guides, ebooks, the list goes on and on. And if you take a look at this Whop right here, they made over $33,000 in the last 24 hours. Yes, I said 24 hours, that's one day. And this is another one that has made $28,000 in the last 24 hours. But the thing I want you to really understand is these are people just like you and me. But I don't want to waste any more time talking about why you need to get started. Let me just show you how easy it is to do from your phone. So first, you're going to want to start by clicking the link in my description, and it's going to bring you to the onboarding. And from there, you can sign up for your free account by just entering your email address. And the next thing they're going to ask you to do is name your Whop. And I keep saying Whop, but that's basically your online business. So when it says to name your Whop, it's basically asking you to name your business or your digital product that you're about to start selling. So your name should be something that represents what you are about to offer. Now for myself, I am going to call it Monique Hinton Money Hub. Why? Because I talk a lot about making money, so I know what I'm good at. And so that's what you need to be thinking about here if you're unsure of what type of business you want to start. What are you good at? And it can be anything. Like I said, somebody's out here teaching people how to fold sheets, and they actually paying for this. But maybe you are good at meal prepping on a budget. Maybe you know how to organize your life. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you figured out the answer that we all need to trying to work out and make sure that it actually works. If you've mastered studying, or if you have a great relationship, or you've learned from your past relationships and you have some good advice. I mean, nothing is off limits here, and you do not need to be an expert to get started. You don't have to be some kind of guru or have a PhD in this. The main thing you want to do is make sure you know just a little bit more than the next person, and they'll be willing to pay you for that little bit more of knowledge that you have. But after you have figured out your name, what they're going to ask you to do is give it a headline. And that headline will be one of the first things that your potential customer sees. So you want to make sure that it tells them what they will be getting out of your offer. So just again, to show you how this works, I'll just put in best way to start making money online. And after that, what it's going to do now is start to build your business for you. Like I said, this only really takes 60 seconds. It's just taking a little longer because I'm trying to make sure I explain and give you the main things that you need to make sure that you get this right, because we want to make money. But once you have your account, at the top of that page, you should see something that says to download Whop. If you do not see that download button, then you can just go to your app store or your Google Play Store and just download the Whop app. And once you have it installed, we'll finish setting up everything else on your store page. And once you have it downloaded and you are logged in, what you're going to want to make sure you do is click on the dashboard that's in the right corner, and we are going to complete setting up our Whop. And what this is showing us right now, this is is your store page. It is what your customer will see. It'll show them all of the things that you are offering. It's basically your landing page. So on our landing page at the top, the first thing we want to make sure is there is some media. So you can either upload a video or a photo. I'm going to just add a quick photo of me, and you don't have to just add one. You can add more than one. And also, if you don't have a photo of yourself or don't want to add yourself, you can go to a website like pexels.com and download some free stock photos that you can upload here. You just want to make sure that you have some media here. And the next thing they're going to ask you to do is enter a description here so that people can easily understand what you are offering. And what I'm just putting is, this is a community that's created for beginners, whether you have zero experience or you've tried other methods with no success. This hub is designed to help you start making money online. Now, that's something I came up with quickly. I know everybody can't come up with stuff off the top of their head like that. So if you are unsure of what to add at any of these points, what I suggest you do is use ChatGPT, and it is absolutely free to use. You just create yourself a free account, and then you can log into ChatGPT and you can ask it to come up with a name for your Whop, and you can just tell it the type of Whop you have. You can ask it to help you to come up with a description for the services you're offering. You can tell it what you want to offer. It really will help you out and make this easier. But for the sake of time, I won't go too into detail about that part because it's very simple to do. You just ask it questions and it'll give you answers. But another thing that you can add to your Whop, what I definitely suggest that you do, is add your bio. You just want something that's short and impactful that people can connect with, and that will pretty much let them know why they need to purchase this service from you. Like, what experience do you have with this? So something I just put here is 5 years ago, I quit my 9-to-5 as a nurse practitioner. Now I am making 7 figures a year online with over 1 million plus subscribers. I want to help you do the same. Let's take over the internet. And then I added a cute little photo here too to go with that bio. Again, if you don't know what to come up with, make sure you just go to ChatGPT. You can tell it a little bit about your experience and ask it to create a short, quick bio for you. Then copy and paste that thing into here. We are working smarter, not harder this year. Now, the next thing you want to add is who this Whop is for. Basically, who are you targeting? Who needs to purchase this service? And for me, I am adding that it's aspiring entrepreneurs. And also, I want it to be for passionate creators and people that are goal-driven people, because we know that nothing happens overnight and we have to put a little elbow grease in it. So I want to target people that understands that and who are willing to put in the work. We are really almost through with setting this up, but let's talk about one of my favorite parts of everything, and that's how we're going to make money. And that's going to start with the pricing that you can see right here. And your pricing is going to be based on what you are offering. And you can actually offer free resources to people to get potential paying customers, because once you get them there for free, then you can upsell some of your services from the free crowd that you have. You can offer paid subscription. You can do things that you're offering a one-time fee for something. I'm actually going to do a one-time limited service here for the first 200 people that sign up, and I'll just make it $19.97 for them. And what my limited service may include is something like, when I'm doing different videos with my free courses, I may go a step above and create a guide outlining everything for people, and then I can just give it to them in this group. So I'm just trying to get you to thinking about the types of services that you can offer. Now, one thing you do want to make sure you do also is please set up your payments so that you can receive payments, because we don't want a pretty store page and not get paid for it. And Whop partners with Stripe, so once you click to set up your payments, then it'll take you over to Stripe to create an account. They will have to verify who you are. You'll have to put in your tax information, and you'll also connect your bank to it so that they can send your payment. And once I set everything up, it literally took them like maybe 5 to 10 minutes to verify who I am. Now we are going to move on to the part that we talk about what services these people who come to your Whop will be getting from you. So Whop has made this extremely easy and helpful for us. One thing that we can do is add apps to our Whop, and these will be the services that you are offering or selling. And these apps that you are able to add to your Whop are absolutely free to do as well. Like I said, setting up the account is free, adding the apps is free. So there's no reason that you should at least not try try this to see if it works for you. So some of the things that I would add is like a chat, because with the chat you'll be able to talk to your community as well as have them to communicate with each other. Some people just get on here and create a community and have a paid community that people can join so that they can talk with you, get advice from you, different things like that. Another thing that you're able to do on here is sell courses. Now that's a big one. This is the one that's making people really millions. Honestly, all of this can make you millions, but I know for sure people are becoming millionaires from selling courses. And adding it is really easy to do right from your phone. All you have to do is add that courses app. Then they'll ask you to name your course. I'm just naming it something. Again, I'm just trying to show you how this works. And then also they'll tell you to add a tagline to it. I'll just put 30 days to making money online. Another thing they want you to do is to describe your course, and I'll just say 30 days to launching your first online business. And from here, this is where you add the different components to your course. You can have like chapter 1, and I can say maybe how to legally start your business. Then lesson 1 can be something like opening your bank account. Lesson 2 can be setting up your LLC. And when you click on the lesson itself, this is where you'll be able to upload the videos, and you can record these videos from your phone, and then you can upload this into Whop from your phone. And again, ChatGPT can help you to outline an entire course. It can help you write the scripts for the things that you need to record and say in each of your lessons. I mean, between Whop and ChatGPT, what else do you need? Now, some of the other apps that I do want to point out, especially if you don't like to be on screen, is maybe guides. You can create guides for people and you can sell those guides on here. Another thing you can do is you can just add content in general to it through the content app. You can also create forums. There are literally a variety of different apps that have been made easily available for you, and it's free. Did I say that? Yes, I did. Now at this point, you have completely set up your online business. Your Whop is done and you can start selling this and making money. Now let me tell you, I know this is the part that a lot of you have probably been waiting for. If you start a business on Whop right now and you make $3,000 in your first 30 days, which don't worry about that, I will be showing you the ways that will help you to get those $3,000 in 30 days. But what Whop is going to do if you hit that goal is they will book you a hotel in New York. They will invite you to their headquarters for an all-day event, and it will also put your Whop on the billboard in the middle of Times Square. This is something that they have actually already done with over 300 creators. Now, first of all, if you are wondering, Monique, how can I actually sell this course? I want to get that Times Square billboard. I want to go to New York, or shoot, I just want to make money. Whop themselves have actually created a Whop that you can join for free, and they will literally be teaching you themselves how to hit that $3,000 in your first 30 days. They offer workshops. They have Q&A sessions in here. They have a course that's designed to help you to succeed. So I will put the link to this particular Whop down in the description so that you can make sure that you reach that goal. But other ways that you will actually be able to get people to buy your service is through one of the amazing features that's on Whop, and it is called Discovery. With Whop's Discovery, you don't have to just hope that people will find your business. Just uploading it here, you will actually be putting this before millions of potential customers. And every single week, over 2 million people come to Whop Discovery to browse. So your business will be getting some serious exposure. And here's something else that's really cool. Whop has a product recommendation algorithm that makes sure it shows people what they are looking for. So if you are creating the courses that people are looking for, which I am more than sure you will be, then they will recommend your business to these people. So the ultimate goal for you will be to continue to create the services and the products that people are searching for. Now, another thing that I definitely want to point out that you should use, because this is going to help you to get even more exposure and make more money. Every Whop store page has affiliate links listed at the bottom of the page. And what this does is it encourages affiliates to promote your offer, and every single time they share a special link to your business and someone makes a purchase, then they will receive a percentage of that sale. So this will be be a win-win for you and your affiliates. And you can set your price to make sure that you include enough to cover affiliate pay. And you can always adjust your price to make sure that you are definitely always benefiting. But by utilizing this will actually have people out there working for you, spreading your services out there. This gives you more exposure, more access to people that you normally may not have been able to reach. And the good thing is they only get paid once they bring in a sale from that sale. Now with this, you will be able to set your affiliate rate, meaning you will be able to decide how much you want to offer your affiliates. And this is actually something you will come across inside of Whop when you are completing your setup. It'll be set at 30% and you can adjust it to 25, 20. You can even put 50%, however much you want. But use this because this will help you to get sales. Once you have it set up, please come back and comment and tell me what the name of your Whop is. Don't put a link because sometimes YouTube won't show the links. But also don't forget to like this video because that helps me out. And other than that, I thank you so much for watching. And until next time, we are out. Peace.